How to locate or detect Epic Games files. So let's get started. First of all, the Epic Games Launcher is well known for occasionally handing out free games on the Epic Store. To begin with, fire up the Epic Games Launcher and start a fresh installation of the game you want to detect, but this time around select a different directory, ideally inside a different partition. Select the game you want to install by clicking on its game title in the library. You should see a pop-up prompting you to select the installation directory and confirm the download. Select a directory in a different partition than the one where it is currently already installed. Confirm the download by hitting on the install button. As the game begins downloading, pause it and quit out of the Epic Games Launcher and kill the Epic Games process and any child processes it has spawned. Pause the game download, otherwise the Epic Launcher will refuse to shut down. On Windows, click on the caret button, which is generally at the bottom right of a taskbar. Right-click on the Epic Launcher icon and hit on Exit. Additionally, use the Windows Task Manager or Activity Monitor on Mac to search for and kill any Epic Launcher instances that are running in the background. Once you are sure that the Epic Launcher is completely shut off, move on to the next step, the final one. Now this step is pretty initiative. After you have shut off all instances of the Epic Games Launcher, proceed to copy the already installed games file into the new installation directory. If you get a prompt asking what to do with duplicate files, select Replace the file in the destination and allow the copying process to complete. Once it is done, resume the download process and wait for a few seconds. Soon you should see the progress bar shoot up to 99%. This indicates that the Epic Games Launcher has detected the game files you moved into the installation directory. Once it verifies all the files, the download will finish successfully and your game will be ready to launch. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.